Hello and welcome to The Brief, where we bring you key economic developments that occurred in the previous week and key activities to watch in the new week. It is the first week of November 2022 and the announcement by the central bank governor on plans to redesign and reissue 200, 500 and 1000 naira notes have raised talking points in the economy space. The concerns raised by the Minister of Finance of not being aware of the plan and not being carried along raises once again the challenge of achieving a handshake between the fiscal and monetary policy authorities. For the socioeconomic events from last week, the Federal Account Allocation Committee for the month of September 2022 allocated the sum of 760.235 billion naira to the federal, state and local governments. Oil-producing states received 59.992 billion naira as 13% derivation. The Central Bank of Nigeria announced the plan to redesign 200, 500 and 1000 naira notes. The CBN Governor, Mr. Godwin Emefiele, disclosed this last week during a special press briefing. The new design and issues will be effective from December 15, 2022. The action was taken in order to take control of the currency in circulation, according to the CBN. The Minister of Agriculture and Rural Development, Dr. Mohammed Abubakar, announced that the federal government approved new incentives for investors in the agricultural sector to improve private sector participation in nation's food production and processing industry. These incentives include tax and duty-free holidays for a period of 5 years for agricultural production and processing in Nigeria, tax-free agricultural loans with a moratorium period of over 18 months and repayment period of not more than 7 years, and zero tariff rates on importation of agrochemicals. On the sidelines of the World Bio Summit in South Korea, the Nigeria National Petroleum Company Limited signed a memorandum of understanding with Daewoo to rehabilitate the Kaduna petrochemical refinery. The signing ceremony was witnessed by President Muhammadu Buhari, GCFR. For the highlights from the market roundup for the week ended 28 October 2022, here are the key results. The equities market recorded negative performance. The listed equities market NGXASI recorded a loss of -0.109% week on week, and the NSE OTC closed negative with a -1.06% loss. The INE-FX rate closed positive and the NAFEX rate closed positive. The BDC rates closed positive. The Brent crude oil price moved up, while the West Texas Intermediate crude oil price moved up at the end of the week. The FND crude debt market size closed positive, while the AFEX ACI closed flat and the AEI index closed positive. From what to expect from the markets this week, published by ProShare. From the money market, ProShare analysts expect interbank rates to trim down in the new week with the inflow of FAC allocation. For the Treasury bills market, analysts expect the raised yield at the National Treasury Bills primary market auction should spur some buying interest in the new week. In the secondary market, ProShare analysts expect the sell-offs to persist in the new week. For the economic, financial and capital market events to watch in the new week, on Tuesday, November 1st, 2022, Coronation Insurance PLC will be hosting a webinar themed Importance of Insurance for SMEs, Insurance Requirements for a Growing Business. The session will focus on the importance of insurance for small and medium-sized enterprises, insurance requirements for growing businesses, and outline the risks and challenges faced by SMEs and how to mitigate this risk. The date is Tuesday, November 1st, 2022. The time is 10 a.m. and it will be done through the virtual Zoom platform. The Lagos State Employment Trust Fund will on Thursday, November 3rd, 2022 hold a webinar which will discuss the theme, The Future of Work, Winning the Talent War and Coping with Great Resignations. Time for the event is 11 a.m. Ecobank will on Friday, 4th of November 2022 host its Fintech Breakfast Series, which will discuss the theme, Strengthening the Ecosystem. The focus will be on two critical areas, corporate governance and effective fundraising. Time is 8:30 a.m. And that will be all for this edition of The Brief. You can join our website www.proshare.co to read our news stories, reports and watch our videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great week and please stay safe.